Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open Tally on your mobile device. First, understand that Tally is primarily a desktop application, so we will utilize remote access technology. You will need a reliable remote desktop application installed on both your computer and your mobile phone. Always ensure your Tally software is actively running on your desktop, and both devices maintain a strong, stable internet connection for a seamless experience. Now, let's configure your remote access. Install your chosen remote desktop application on both your desktop and mobile. On your desktop, open the application and enable incoming remote connections. You will typically find an option to generate a unique ID or display your computer's IP address. Crucially, set a robust, complex password for secure access to prevent unauthorized entry. With the desktop configured, it's time to connect from your mobile. Open the Remote Access application on your smartphone or tablet. You will be prompted to enter the unique ID or IP address of your desktop computer. After inputting this, provide the strong password you previously set up. Once these details are correct, initiate the connection to establish remote control over your desktop. Once connected, you can now interact with Tally on your mobile device as if you were directly at your desktop. Use pinch-to-zoom gestures to enlarge specific areas for clearer viewing and easier navigation. For data entry, utilize your mobile device's on-screen keyboard. When finished, always remember to securely disconnect your remote session to protect your data and privacy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.